Hi, fourth grade artists. Today we're going to learn how to draw an ice cream cone with soft ice cream inside, inspired by the artist Wayne Thiebaud. Wayne Thiebaud is an American painter who's still alive. He's 100 years old, and he's known for painting his desserts and food and landscapes. So we're going to look at some pictures of his work, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so I have my paper, my pencil, and we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do, try to make sure you draw kind of light because we're going to erase certain areas. So in this area, towards the bottom quarter of the paper, I'm going to draw a straight line across like this, and a straight line across like this. And underneath the bottom one, I'm going to draw one more straight line. You can use a ruler. It's easier for me to just kind of go quick and draw freehand. Okay, then I'm going to draw an ice cream cone that starts here. I'm going to draw a curved line like this, and the triangular shape that goes down like this and down like this to connect. Okay, so here we're going to erase this line because it's going to be sitting inside of a little holder, right? And then here we're going to draw like this, so it's actually sitting in a holder, and we're going to erase this line and this line. So if you could see, it looks like it's sitting inside of a little holder. Oops. Okay, and this we're actually going to wind up coloring in like a shadow. Okay, and then we're going to draw curved lines here. And going across here for our ice cream cone. Okay, and then we're going to do swirl ice cream. Okay, so we're going to come up here and we're going to curve like this. And then we're going to take draw a line here that's going to come up and curve like that. It's going to wind up looking crooked. Curve under, and I'm going to connect here and come up again and come down like this, and then I'm going to get smaller here and here, and I'm going to curve it over like that. Okay, so it's a little crooked, but that's okay. All right, so now I'm going to see what I'm going to put in the background. I'm going to add some circles just to be creative. You could make it look like it's in the window of a bakery or an ice cream shop. Maybe you have a sign in the background, but I'm just going to do something a little different. All right, so now I'm going to go and trace over everything with a black marker, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I traced everything with my black marker, and I started coloring in some areas. I started to color this brown, and I got a little bit lighter as I got over to the edge. I was darker here, and I got lighter over to this side. Remember when we talked about that with the snowmen, creating a little bit of a shadow. Also here, I added a line across here to represent a shadow from the ice cream cone, and I'm doing that with the black crayon. Okay, I'm also going to color the table. I'm going to do the table a different brown. And again, you can use whatever colors you like, be as creative as you want. I'm just trying to go really quick. Okay, and down here I can color as well. That's part of the table. I made that a little bit lighter. And my ice cream, I like vanilla, so I'm actually going to add a tint of blue to the edge here and just kind of softly blend it out after that edge there. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit dark on the edge and a little lighter as it goes in. Dark on the edge and lighter as it goes in there. Not too far, but it's just the edge. It's a little tint. And you can add whatever toppings you like, be as creative as you want to be. Okay. And then I'm going to color my circles. Some different colors. Whatever you want to add for that. Box of crayons and so much to choose from. You never know what to choose. Some yellow and one more here. All right, so now my background, the rest of it, I'm just gonna paint one color, and I'm gonna use paint, let's see, just so it's quicker and easier. I'm gonna use orange because I didn't use that. And you could paint over the crayon because it is crayon resist, right? When you paint with the watercolors over the crayon, it's still shows that color there. So you can add whatever colors you like. You can even add some sprinkles to your ice cream. You can do a totally different background, which would be great because I like you to use your own ideas and creativity. All right, so I'm gonna finish painting this and I'll come back and show you when I'm done. Okay, so I finished painting everything. I'm actually just gonna add some sprinkles on here. Yum. Just lines will be good, or shapes, however you want to do that. Put some purple ones. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture and show you this when it's done, and I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks. Bye-bye.